Hello guys. Today we will see the quick tutorial how to make colorful buses tower fly and crash. Let's search for a perfect place where to let them crash. Let's choose the bus. Now we have a bus. Now we can pause the game with the key J. And let's dive inside the world editor pressing F11 on the keyboard. Let's select the bus. Drag the mouse over the blue arrow and move upwards. Let's rotate the bus by 90 degrees. By pressing the key 2 on the keyboard, press 1 on the keyboard to be able to move the bus across the axis. To save the bus into the current world, let's put it into the group and move the group up 1 level, then right-click on the bus object in Scene Tree and take Inspector. Then mark Can Save checkbox under Inspector menu. Select the bus clone in the Scene Tree and copy-paste as many as you like, actually as much as your PC can handle. The more buses you have, the more your PC resources will require. In this case, I will copy only 5 buses. Now let's move the buses one above the other to make them look nice. Time to change the color of the buses. Now we are ready for the party. Unpause the game by pressing the J key and enjoy how gravity does the job. You can even slow down the motion by pressing Alt plus left arrow key to see even more details when crashing. If you enjoyed the video, please subscribe and like. Let me know how many buses you got crashing.